In today's digital world, capturing attention is harder than ever. Businesses need fresh, engaging content to stand out from the crowd. Stay here to discover the news about Synthesia 2.0.
Hey Marco, have you seen the latest update on Synthesia? This new Synthesia 2.0 sounds pretty wild.
Synthesia? Isn't that the AI video creation platform?
Exactly! But this new version is packed with features. We could create professional-looking videos with AI avatars and even translate them with a click.
Hold on, AI avatars making videos? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie.
Yeah, I know, right? But here's the thing. Creating quality video content can be expensive and time-consuming. We struggle to keep up with the demand for fresh material across all our channels.
Exactly. Traditional video production requires scripts, filming, and editing. A whole team. We need something faster and more flexible.
That's where Synthesia 2.0 comes in. We can feed it a script, choose from a library of avatars, and it generates a video with realistic facial expressions and body language.
Wait, so these avatars move and talk based on the script?
Yep, and they come in all shapes and sizes. Imagine creating product demos with an engaging expert avatar, or even role-playing customer service scenarios.
Interesting.
It's all about streamlining the process. And the best part? Synthesia 2.0 brings a bunch of new features like personal avatars, full-body AI avatars, AI screen recorder, live collaboration, multilingual video player, interactive videos, AI safety and security. Plus, with one-click translations, we can reach a global audience.
This could be a game changer for the video production industry.
See? Synthesia 2.0 isn't just about creating cool videos. It's about empowering businesses to tell their stories in creative, efficient ways.
I can definitely see the potential. Now, let's explore how we can integrate this into our existing workflow. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates.
Don't forget to check out the other videos. Thanks for watching!